Have you ever wondered how the justice system can sometimes fail the very people it's supposed to protect? In a world where justice is supposed to prevail, we find instances where the scales seem to tip in the wrong direction. This is evident in the case of Harvey Weinstein, the once-lauded Hollywood mogul, whose 2020 rape conviction in New York was recently overturned. The appeals court made this decision citing prejudicial rulings. In layman's terms, they believed certain decisions made by the judge during the trial were unfairly biased against Weinstein. This has led to the possibility of a new trial, a thought that brings both hope and fear. Hope for a fair trial, yet fear for the potential re-traumatization of Weinstein's accusers. This decision has left many shocked and disappointed, raising questions about justice for sexual assault survivors. It's a stark reminder that the journey to justice is often not a straight path, but rather a winding road filled with unexpected twists and turns. Let's delve deeper into what this decision could mean for future sexual assault cases. The overturned conviction of Harvey Weinstein echoes a similar decision in Bill Cosby's case, raising questions about the potential influence of one on the other. Both cases revolve around the controversial issue of prior bad acts testimony, a legal jargon causing ripples in the justice system. Next, let's reflect on the concerns raised about potential retrials. The fear of re-traumatization for survivors is a looming threat. It's not just about reliving past horrors, but also about the emotional toll of facing their assailant in court again. Moreover, there's a growing apprehension that such decisions could discourage survivors from coming forward. The fear of not being believed, of enduring public scrutiny, and then the possibility of seeing their perpetrator walk free could create a chilling effect. These events have sparked discussions about the impact of the #MeToo movement and the ongoing fight for justice. Despite setbacks, the fight continues, for the world is watching and silence is no longer an option. So, what happens next in the case of Harvey Weinstein? Well, let's dig into this. Even with the overturned conviction in New York, Weinstein continues to serve a 23-year sentence there. This sentence is, in fact, separate from the case that was recently dismissed. Beyond New York, the story doesn't end. Weinstein is also facing additional charges over in Los Angeles. These charges, like those he was convicted of in New York, involve claims of sexual assault. The legal proceedings on the West Coast are still ongoing, with the outcome yet to be determined. But here's the thing. Despite the recent upheaval in New York, there's a strong sense of confidence in some quarters that the Los Angeles conviction will stand firm. This confidence stems from the belief in the strength of the evidence presented in the LA case. Despite the overturned conviction in New York, the fight for justice continues. There's a long road ahead, but rest assured the pursuit of justice is far from over. This case is not just about one man, but about a larger societal issue. It brings into focus the role of the judiciary and its increasing tendency to permit testimony that some might view as character attacks. This shift in court proceedings has sparked debate and controversy, as it can potentially tip the scales of justice in either direction. Moreover, this case underscores the critical importance of providing justice for the accusers. It's not just about serving a sentence. It's about acknowledging the pain and trauma that these individuals have endured. It's about sending a clear message that no one is above the law and that every voice deserves to be heard. The overturning of Harvey Weinstein's conviction has been met with disappointment from leaders of the #MeToo movement. This movement has been instrumental in bringing issues of sexual assault and harassment to the forefront, and this setback has only strengthened their resolve to fight for justice. The journey towards justice for sexual assault survivors is fraught with challenges. But the fight goes on. As we grapple with these complex issues, it's important to stay informed and engaged. Today we've delved into the recent overturning of Harvey Weinstein's rape conviction, a decision that has sent ripples across the globe. We've looked at the implications of this event, how it might affect future sexual assault cases, and the potential impact on the survivors involved. We've also explored what the next steps might be in this ongoing saga, as well as how this case fits into the larger picture of the fight for justice for sexual assault survivors. But our conversation shouldn't end here. These are issues that affect us all, directly or indirectly. It's crucial that we continue to discuss, debate, and raise awareness about them. Whether it's the role of the justice system, the rights of survivors, or the broader cultural shifts needed to prevent such atrocities from happening in the first place, your voice matters. If you found this video informative, subscribe to our channel, comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to like this video. Let's continue striving for justice and equality, one discussion at a time.